They let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end. Walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. That's so cool. That's a cool boy.
I'm gonna go grab one more person, Karen.
Hey, me.
Be the first one. She just wants to be
Big hug.
down the ramp. She just has to have this ice cream. And then whatever group
You look beautiful. Wow.
I like your shoes.
Those are sweet.
They're actually very comfortable. I might actually just wear them.
Just wear the golf shoes. Alright, go see Dad.
Rachel's coming.
Oh, okay.
Hold on, we gotta wait for Aunt Rachel.
I'm a little nervous.
Maybe look this way towards the back. Yeah. And then just like with the breeze, it's just really nice. And then just kind of like look up in the distance. You can do like a soft smile. Maybe like tuck your hair behind your ears. Just do it one more time, but like make it a kind of like soft smile while you do it. Yeah, look. Look at James Turner.
Hey, it's Rachel. Oh. Oh, they're doing it.
Hitting the ball. We're not faking anything.
He's our father of the bride, so somebody's gotta go get him.
Well, hopefully
Should have got one of those fake golf balls that explode.
gotta do a little practice swing before.
I seriously, that is nerve-wracking. Just don't hit it at them.
Shake it.
They're all cheering for you.
Oh, good.
No, they thought you hit it.
I think oh, I didn't hit it yet! Okay, you ready? It's actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. Alright, okay, ready? On three.
On three.
1, 2, 3.
Nice.
You're done, baby! You didn't get hit! Can we do a picture with the
Are you gonna get those balls, Dad?
I'll go get them.
Celebrate and bear witness to the very special love and commitment being made today. Bienvenidos, familia y amigos. Ishmael and Michelle. Han pedido que todos se tomen un momento para tomar todas las fotos.
Ready. Get those long arms out.
Take one this way, guys.
Oh, that's so cute. Get us! Get us!
Alright, take your photos for them. Line up. Take your pictures.
Where's the timer? Is there a timer? There it is.
with all these teachers here, we'd have a timer. What is
You did practice with Mom. Te quiero no por como eres, sino por como soy o cuando estoy contigo. I love you not only because of the way you are, but because of the way I am with you. Eres mi mujer, amigo, mi gran amor, mi alma gemada. You're my best friend, my great love, my soulmate. Ishmael, I am so excited for forever with you. I love you.
Then I saw your picture on Hinge. It might have taken a month after traveling for us to meet and some help from the best person ever. Thank you, Rachel. I've never hit a hole-in-one, but after our first date, it felt like a hole-in-one. Trips with my family, me getting angry over a churro, and grief, especially, has brought us together. I love that you are a lot of fun, or that you are a fan. You're my best friend. Sorry, Mort. And from today forward, I give you my all. Te doy todo mi corazón y toda mi vida. No matter where this crazy life takes us, and what this world has in store, I'll make sure you never walk alone. I love you, Michelle.
Going in one unbroken circle. Wherever they go, may they always return to one another in their togetherness. May the home they share, which they establish together, to be such a place of sanctuary that many will find there a friend. Michelle, repeat after me. I, Michelle, give you this ring as a symbol of my undying love and commitment. With this ring, I be with. Now, by the power vested in me by God and the great state of Arizona, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Whoa, whoa. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. And then just a slow zoom in on Carl. He farted. What a beautiful night. Palm Valley. Beautiful. There's the mountains. And a golfer out there. Nice. Palm trees. And a line for a drink. Hey! Look who it is!
Hey!
Hey!
Can you take a picture for them? Samantha! Samantha! You stay away from that water.
I like the water.
Hi! Hey, Mo!
Hey, look here.
Cheese! You know, give me a kiss. You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it. Go. No, hold it.
Cheese!
It's a little yellow.
Cheese! 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 There's a baby in there. Hello. Hello, everyone. Mom! Say cheese!
Did you play golf on
Hey!
Thursday and Friday.
Hey!
Right here.
I got my grandpa camcorder on.
I saw
There's Michelle and Ish. In there. Say, yell Michelle. She'll wave.
Please welcome the matron of honor, Rachel! Next we have Megan! Should we just close the doors and start the party? I think we're missing some important people here, right? If you guys are ready, with the biggest round of applause, will you please welcome the new Mr. and Mrs. Saldana!
Lovely space to celebrate the wedding of Michelle and Ismail Saldana. Brian, our oldest, and Jamie are celebrating their 7th anniversary this July.
Yeah, baby!
Phil, our youngest, and Allie just got carrying an intelligent teacher, possibly a future principal. And quite an accomplished golfer, too. Oh, and I would be neglecting if I didn't say this. I'm sure glad all those years of taking German in school have paid off for you. Little did we know that Spanish would have been a better choice of language.
Bob is killing it.
Yeah. I'm so happy and proud to now call you my son. We have much in common, we heal. The love of a beautiful lady, the game of golf, a fine bourbon in moderation, and an occasional cigar on the course. Ish, you have a kind and generous heart, a warmth and gentleness of spirit, and you're a good sport too when Michelle wins at golf. These are all great characteristics of a successful husband. Mrs. Saldana, Connie, I would like to congratulate you and Mr. Saldana.
me for who I am. She never says no. We always decide on things together. My friend never gives up on me. She always likes to play with me. My friend always believes in me. My friend is my best friend, and she will always be my friend forever. I will never give up on her. Friendship means taking care of each other for who they are. The end. Bye, Michelle. The end.
And there's Rachel.
Waiting.
Waiting.
When she was at the I am so...
Okay, I'm done. I would like to conclude this speech with a little toast and a quote from Michelle and I, my favorite show, One Tree Hill. I also heard visual.
I've seen it.
I've seen it.
Will everyone please raise a glass to the newlyweds? Remember tonight, for it is the beginning of always. Cheers.
Inception. Yay, Michelle.
$37. Thank you so much.